Hey guys, this is Alrighty then. I'm going to be doing a review and open boxing of the Sabrent 4-port USB 3.0 hub with power adapter. So what's cool about this thing? This is a 4-port power adapter. It works on Windows, Mac, and it's USB 3.0 super speed. The cool thing about this one, because it has the power adapter, you can use power intense USB devices, such as you can use it to charge iPads and Apple Watches and phones and things like that, or any other type of device that may need power to charge. Most USB ports, they will feed power to the charging devices, but some of them are not powerful enough. So this one has blue LED to indicate power status for each port. That's kind of a cool thing. So let's say, for example, you have something plugged in, and you leave your iPad on the counter, it's plugging in and it's charging, and you just want to turn it off, but you don't want to disconnect the cable per se, because you don't want it to have power all the time. So all you have to do is just you press one of these little buttons, and that will turn off or turn on that particular port. So let's dive into this. Let's open it up. I'm going to have this ruler here for perspective. Okay, so the box itself is about 5 inches wide, 1.5 but to 2 inches tall. Let's see, yep, 2 inches tall. It's kind of bright there, and about 3.5 inches wide. Okay, let's dive in. Let's take a look. So here we go. Here is the port. Let me slip this off. It looks pretty nice. And you see some of the toggles are pressed and some of them are not. But when you press it, there it is. So that would indicate that they're off, and when they're on, you press them and the light's going to turn blue. And this is your 4-port USB 3.0. And that goes connected to your computer. So let's keep opening the box, and we have said power adapter. So let's take that out of there. Here's the power adapter. It's 100 and 125, 50 to 60 hertz. So, normal USA pattern. It's an output of 5 volts. All right, so it's got a 5 volts. All right, I want to have my assistant plug this in. Can you plug this in, please, assistant? Under the table, on this free plug. What does it say here? Extend your warranty for 2 years. Has you covered. Need help? We are here for you. All right, let's put that away. So here's the port. Can you plug it in? Anytime you're ready. The people of YouTube want to see it. Don't shock yourself. So let's see if you can use this as a standalone USB hub if you plug it in. Whoops. So let's try that again. Oh, Jesus. This thing is not very cooperative. Okay, so it's plugged in. So when it is plugged in, let's see if it will turn on. No. Can you hand me one of those USB cords right there? The white one for the iPhone? No, the one that's dangling on the floor. Let me just try your headphones. See what the headphones will do. All right, so without a computer, they do not work as a hub. So let's plug this into a computer to see what happens. So we happen to have a computer right here. And we're going to be connecting the mouse and the keyboard to it and the headphones because there's only 2 ports on this Mac. Let's see. So we've got it plugged in. We've got the port. Ah, there we go. So it needs to be plugged into the computer. So you cannot use this as a standalone charger. But once you have it there, you're just gonna plug in your peripheral stuff. So we're gonna plug in the mouse. We're gonna plug in the keyboard. And they go in nice and tight. And we'll do the headphones as well. All right. Now notice the light on the headphone turns on. Right there. So if I turn this one off, it turns off the light. Turn it on. And there it goes again. Alexa, turn off Kai's light.
A few things share that name. Kai's dot, Kai's room, and Kai's desk light. Which one did you want?
Kai's desk light.
Okay.
I thought I was pretty clear. All right, so we've got the mouse, the keyboard, and the headphones. So this is the mouse, keyboard, and headphones. And let's turn them back on again. That's the mouse, keyboard, and the headphones take a while, but they eventually kick in. Alexa, turn on Kai's desk light.
Okay.
Boom, there it is. So there you have it, guys. Quick little thing. It's a nice, if you don't have a dock per se, you can use this. It's USB 3.0. It'll transfer at 5 gigabytes per second, so it's pretty fast. It works on all platforms, Mac and Windows. And I suppose it would work on Linux too. I don't see why not. Data transfer speeds of 5 gigabits per second. That's pretty fast. And it supports up to 127 devices by daisy chaining multiple hubs. Oh my God. So you can daisy chain multiple hubs, which means you would plug one hub into another, into another, into another. You can have 127 things. That's a lot of stuff. Okay. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.